Endocrinology quizzes are educational resources designed to test and enhance your understanding of the fascinating field of endocrinology. Endocrinology is the branch of medicine that deals with hormones and their role in regulating bodily functions. These quizzes provide a fun and interactive way to assess your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. These quizzes cover a wide range of topics related to endocrinology, including hormone production and secretion, hormone functions and signaling pathways, endocrine disorders, and the intricate interplay between different glands and hormones in the body. They may also delve into specific conditions such as diabetes, thyroid disorders, adrenal gland disorders, and reproductive hormone imbalances. Endocrinology quizzes often consist of multiple choice questions that challenge you to recall facts, interpret clinical scenarios, and apply critical thinking skills. By engaging in endocrinology quizzes, you can reinforce your knowledge, deepen your understanding of the subject matter, and stay up to date with the latest advancements in endocrine research. To use our free endocrinology quiz, follow these steps. Download our endocrinology quizzes from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, read the question. Begin by carefully reading each question in the quiz. Understand the information being asked and the options provided. Evaluate the answer choices given for each question, consider the differences between them, and identify the most appropriate response based on your knowledge of endocrinology. Choose the option you believe to be correct for each question. After completing the quiz, take a moment to review your responses. Use the quiz as a learning tool. Review the correct answers and explanations provided for questions you answered incorrectly. If you find the endocrinology quiz helpful and enjoyable, you can take it again or explore other quizzes on the same topic to reinforce your understanding and improve your knowledge. Here is a sample of our endocrinology quiz, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our endocrinology quiz, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.